found out that these dandelions can really help your heart health. And I look out the back and they're just everywhere. I'm so happy.
If we can improve our heart health, we can improve every inch of our bodies. So come with me and let's make a dandelion tea. So after you've picked your flowers, I picked about 50 or so, we're going to get cutting. And you're just going to cut at the very base of the stem so the flower doesn't actually hold together anymore and it kind of falls apart. This gives a lot of surface area for the tea to be made. So here we have 2 cups of dandelion flowers. And we're going to take them and place them in a saucepan. And we're going to add 4 cups of water. This is about the first cup, and then I go and get some more after that. Put it on a low heat, and this is what it should look like after about 20 minutes of simmering away. Drain off the flowers, and we're left with this golden tea. Add some lemon juice or honey if you like. This tea is a little bit bitter, but has some incredible health benefits, which we'll talk about right now. Your simple subscription allows me to make this my full-time job. Please consider subscribing to help me achieve this, and let's get to the good stuff.
Hello friends, welcome. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not a qualified nutritionist or dietitian or anything yet, but at the moment I'm just sharing the knowledge that I have. Hopefully you can get something out of it. Alright, let's get into it. The extraordinary properties of this plant have been known for a long time, but the dandelion is undeservedly forgotten. It's pretty funny because usually dandelions are considered as weeds, and weeds are something you usually get rid of. Weeds are usually in the way, but these are actually not in the way, and if people think they are, we can get them out of the way by making them into a tea. So it's a win-win situation, guys. I've just found out that dandelion is often used in cosmetics. Rubbing the juice of leaves into the skin got rid of freckles and pigment spots. So that is interesting. So you know when you break off a dandelion, there's a little bit of white liquid out. That can be used on freckles or blackheads, rashes, and it'll make your skin brighter, which is really cool. So you can do that. Obviously patch test beforehand, but you know, you do you. Dandelion cleanses the body of toxins and stimulates bile secretion. So bile is used to break down sugars and just your food in general. So if you increase bile, which means you'll be able to digest food better. Dandelions are high in calcium, which protects bones from breaking, which is what we want. Dandelion is highly alkaline and anti-inflammatory. So if you have a skin disease, you have eczema, rashes, things like that, that can be caused due to an imbalance in your skin pH. So if you want to lower that pH to get it to normal, which is this number here, your skin to the right number, you need to consume more alkalizing foods, such as bean sprouts, especially pea sprouts are really good. Another great thing to know is that dandelions lower your blood sugar. If you're already taking some kind of blood sugar lowering medicine, make sure not to take the dandelion as well, because you could lower too much and then you could faint or something worse could happen. So make sure you contact your doctor or find out for yourself to make sure that you are looking after yourselves, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you for looking after my channel and watching this video all the way through. See you on the next one.